Catfish, and we are making catfish pepper soup. So these are all the catfish that I want to make with all these ingredients I will be using. These are all the spices that I am going to be using for this catfish pepper soup. These are all the ingredients, and also we have herbs that we'll be using for it. We have basil, we have mint, and we also have thyme. So these are the three leaves herbs I'm gonna be using for this pepper soup. So watch out and see what I will make out of this catfish pepper soup. So today we are making catfish pepper soup. You are all welcome to my channel. So we are making a very delicious catfish pepper soup. So let's start the cooking. So it's time to start the catfish pepper soup. Right now, we're just going to add our fish into the pan. So these are all the catfish, and right now we have, these are all the mix, pepper mix that we grind: onions, ginger, and garlic, and dry pepper. These are the mix. So right now we're just going to add a little bit of salt, and we're going to add the seasoning. So what we'll do now, we just let it simmer for at least 10 minutes before we'll add the dry ingredients, which is pepper soup spices. So these are the dry ingredients. I'm just going to throw them and start to so this is it. It's already panned, so I'm just going to take it out. So it's cooking so well. This is the catfish pepper soup. Oh my god, this is cooking so well. So right now we have to add all the spices so they can cook all together. So now I'm going to be adding these spices, and we're going to add this dry pepper soup spices. So, and we're going to be adding the thyme leaf and the mint leaf. Then we will add the basil later. So this can give it a whole lot of aroma. So now we have just a little bit of water to make it cook. So it's ready. We're just gonna add this basil to it and take it off from there. Heat. And see how delicious this pepper soup. This is so good. Wow. Very well cooked. So we have to serve this pepper soup right away. The aroma is everything. Oh my god. I think it's time to serve this catfish pepper soup. This is the catfish pepper soup. It's already cooked. You can see, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. This is a very good and healthy pepper soup. You can use it to eat rice, yam, beans, anything. You can use it to eat. Thank you all. Bye for now.